Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired March 2nd, 2026. The topic of that episode was Unlocking the Truth I Am. Swami, your insights.
In this show, we talk about shifting identity from a personal, mental, material basis under karmic or material law and limitation to an impersonal, spiritual basis under the divine law of eternal life.
Looking for the truth about yourself? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam